It is a soft morning. The sky is light blue and the air is cool. I wake up early because today is market day. My mother is in the kitchen. She is cutting onions and the sound is slow and steady. She looks at me and smiles. She says we need fresh vegetables for lunch. I nod and wash my face. I feel calm because I like going to the market with her. We take a cloth bag and step outside. The street is quiet, but not empty. A few people walk slowly. A man rides a bicycle. A dog sleeps near the tea shop. The sun is not strong yet. We walk side by side, and my mother talks about food. She says fresh vegetables make the family healthy. I listen and look around. I feel safe and close to her. The market is not far. As we walk, the smell changes. I can smell flowers, fruits, and fresh leaves. The road becomes busy. Small shops stand close to each other. People talk, laugh, and call out prices. Some shops have bright green vegetables. Some have red tomatoes and orange carrots. The colors are clear and easy to see. We stop near a vegetable shop. The shopkeeper is an old man. He knows my mother. He smiles and says, "Good morning." My mother smiles back and asks how his day is. He says his day is good because the vegetables are fresh today. I like how they talk slowly and kindly. My mother looks at the tomatoes first. She picks one and turns it in her hand. It is red and smooth. She smells it and nods. She asks the price. The shopkeeper tells the price in a soft voice. My mother thinks for a moment. She does not hurry. She asks for 1 kilo. The shopkeeper puts tomatoes into a scale. The metal sound is light and clear. Next, she looks at potatoes. The potatoes are brown and clean. They sit in a small basket. She touches one and smiles. She says potatoes are good for children and elders. I imagine them boiling in hot water at home. I can see steam rising in the kitchen. She buys some potatoes and puts them in the cloth bag. We move to the next shop. This shop has green vegetables. Long beans hang like thin ropes. Spinach leaves are fresh and wet. Water drops shine on them. My mother loves green vegetables. She says they give strength. She chooses spinach and coriander. The smell is fresh and clean. I feel like the air is healthier here. While she buys vegetables, I look around. A young woman buys carrots. A small boy holds his father's hand. A man carries a big basket on his head. Everyone looks busy, but not angry. The market feels alive, but gentle. I hear coins clinking and bags opening. I hear people saying thank you. My mother asks me to hold the bag. It feels heavier now. I feel proud because I am helping. We walk to another shop for onions and garlic. The onions are purple and shiny. Garlic bulbs are white and dry. The shopkeeper gives us a little extra garlic. My mother smiles and says thank you. I learn that kindness comes in small ways. After buying all vegetables, we stop near a fruit stall. My mother looks at bananas. They're yellow with small brown dots. She buys a small bunch for me. I feel happy.
I hold one banana and smile back at her. She touches my head gently. This moment feels warm. We start walking back home. The sun is higher now and the road is busy. Our bag is full and our steps are slow. My mother talks about cooking lunch. She says she will make vegetable curry and rice. I imagine the smell filling the house. I feel hungry, but also peaceful. On the way, we pass the tea shop again. More people are there now. The dog is awake. It stretches and looks at us. I smile at the simple life around me. Buying vegetables is not just shopping. It is time together. It is talking, walking, and sharing small moments. When we reach home, my mother washes the vegetables. Water flows over green leaves and red tomatoes. The kitchen becomes bright and alive. I put the bananas on the table. I feel useful and calm. The morning feels complete. This is how we buy vegetables. It is simple. It is slow. It is part of our daily life, and it brings us closer as a family.